Welcome to today's creative meditation. We'll be creating some cute yellow buttercup flowers together and think about the deeper meaning behind them. For the first part of the painting, we will be using the wet on wet technique. It's really fun and easy to do, so don't worry if this is your first time trying it. Remember, the key is to relax, be mindful and enjoy the process. Find a peaceful spot, grab your supplies, and let's paint together. It's best to use a glued block of paper or tape down the edges of your watercolor paper with masking tape when you're using a loose sheet of paper. I'll be using a block of paper that is glued on 4 sides, so the paper won't buckle when we're going to wet the full sheet of paper. Start with wetting your paper. Make sure everything is covered with a thin layer of water, not too dry and not too wet. Now drop some colors of your choice into the background. I'm using pink and yellow here, but you can choose any color you like. The first layer is a background layer and doesn't have to look like anything. At the bottom, I'm adding some green as a background for the stems later on. As we create the background, let's think about the meaning of yellow buttercups. It is said that these delicate flowers represent joy, childlikeness, happiness, and simplicity. It can also mean playfulness, cheerfulness, and sunshine, which all reflect the bloom's happy appearance. While you wait for the background to dry, let me tell you about the meaning of buttercups' dreams. If you wake up from having a dream about buttercups, this can mean that you are missing your childhood. So calling your parents or an old friend would bring you closer to those warm feelings from your childhood. Another meaning can be new beginnings. In this case, it would be good to slow down and take a moment to rebalance yourself. As you finish up your painting, remember, be gentle with yourself and find joy in even the smallest things. You'd be surprised to find out that it doesn't take much to be happy and have fun freely, just like children do. Thank you for painting with me. I'll see you in our next creative mindfulness painting, and feel free to come back anytime you want to relax and find a moment of peace.